I do a hefty 2 cups of flour, and for 2 pies I'll put almost 2 whole cups of shortening, and then I start blending the shortening into the flour, and into that flour should have added a teaspoon of salt for 2 pies. Teaspoon. I usually mix it into the flour before I put the shortening in instead of the blender. And I just start working this in until it's in lumps. I don't make it as they say pea size. I don't do that. I get it just explicitly blended in. You see, that's just kind of chunky.
Mm-hmm.
I have my ice water. And I start adding, so for 2 pie shells, which we have here, it should take around 8 tablespoons of water. And I'll start out with 4 and just work that around. And I can feel with my fork getting a little stuck together, better. As you add the water, your shortening will break down more too. So it's not in big lumps. So then I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons of water. Now I'm going to start pressing it in. And I've made it all the way around the bowl, and I can still see loose flour there. So I know I need more water. So this is my 9th one, and that might be all I need. And that would be an extra one because my flour is so dry. As I'm going around, I don't see any more loose flour. It's all coming together. And that means I have enough water in there. So that I've been putting on rubber gloves to bring it all together in a ball. Dad, would you get me a piece of wax paper ready, please?
Sure.
And the least you handle it with your warm hands, the better. And now I can shape it into a ball.
Sure you want wax tape?
Oh, you know what I mean. Still got a lot of loose, but I don't want to put any more water in it because the more water you have to use, the tougher it would be. And because I used a little bit extra flour, I don't worry about that. This will be cut in half when I
Pulled it out of the fridge and cut it in half. So you want to make it into a ball and fold in all the edges.
in a disc. So you have a good start when you're rolling it. And that's why I like to use just a tad more Crisco, because in this process it absorbs a lot of flour. It's my way of thinking, it's not professional.
Experience.
First time you roll it, see what it takes up all the flour from the bottom. So you have to turn it pretty fast.
How thick do you want it?
Just about like that, whatever that is. It's a little thick on there. I can never seem to get it even. I'm worried about it anymore. When I cook pie crust, I try to get it down, get it real good so that it doesn't shrink in the cooking. And this trim is what I'll do to patch. Nice parts a little bit.
Fold it in behind it.
I fold it in under where I crimp. Alrighty then. There's a million ways you could develop your own crimp. And if you're doing a shell, kind of when you crimp, kind of lean it over so that it's less likely to scrunch in.
If she's like Mrs. Bouquet, she could have a turntable.
Sometimes Dad does that for me. He's a turntable. Okay, now I need
What do you need? Scalpel?
my fork down in this crease.
Let that bubble up.
Just on the crust, not the filled pies.
No, just on the when you cook a crust. Because if you have, if I put this in without forking it, it would draw in and flop over. You can put as many as you feel like you need to.
You doing 350?
Yes. So yeah, just do however many you think it's going to take.
And that's how you make a perfect pie crust.
That's how you try to make it. The proof is in the baking.
Put it in for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.